I think there are many. I think that they got deep on the relationship of a father between a father and a daughter, and how fear and insecurity of the father can create a blocking situation for her beloved daughter to grow. And real love is about letting your the person that you love be free and be her own or his own. That's one thing. But I think it's about listening to listening to oneself in order to be loyal to what you want to become, and also listening to others beyond prejudgments, beyond what other people are saying about those people. Like really seeing from yourself, hearing from yourself, and making a decision based on what you wish and what you want. It was amazing to be there because I play this King Trident, and you have to play the king, and you have to hold the trident. But also, what I was amazed, it was about the quality of everybody around. I mean, not only the actors, but the crew and the people working behind the camera, and the quality of every detail. So I feel like blessed to be part of that, as I feel blessed to be part of this today and be in a movie like such as this, because I think the movie is gonna melt a lot of hearts.